Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into N Incorporated's latest filing, and let me tell you, it's got more twists than a pretzel factory. We'll be looking at presentations, exhibits, and everything in between, so buckle up. This is a Form 8K filing, also known as a current report. Companies use these to announce major events that could be important to investors. Think of it as a corporate breaking news bulletin. This particular report is dated March 20th, 2025. The main event in this report is that N Inc. presented at the Sidoti Small Cap Virtual Conference. These conferences are like speed dating for companies and investor presentation, which is basically a slideshow explaining why you should invest in them. You can find a copy of the presentation as Exhibit 99.1. Speaking of exhibits, let's talk about those. This section lists all the extra documents attached to the report. In this case, we have the investor presentation and a cover page data file. The investor presentation is the key here. These presentations usually cover the company's performance, strategy, and future plans. Companies put a lot of work into these, trying to make their business sound as appealing as possible. Now, because this is an 8K filing related to a presentation rather than a financial report, we won't see the usual detailed financial tables here. Instead, the meat of the information would be inside that investor presentation. Since the presentation is not provided as text, we can't dig into specific numbers as we normally would. Instead, we can talk about the fact that N Inc. is making the effort to reach out to investors. Attending conferences is important for companies, especially smaller ones. It's a way to get their name out there, attract new investors, and potentially boost their stock price. Finally, the report is signed by Christopher H. Bonnet, the Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer of NN Inc. This signature means he's vouching for the accuracy of the information in the report. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. NN Inc. is putting themselves out there trying to attract investors. This could mean they're looking to raise money, increase their stock value, or simply improve their image. What are the potential risks? Well, investor presentations are designed to be optimistic. It's a company's job to present itself in the best possible light, which means they might downplay potential problems or exaggerate their strengths. Investors need to do their own research to get a complete picture. What are the opportunities? If NN really does have a solid plan and strong prospects, this could be a good time to invest. The fact that they're actively engaging with investors suggests they're confident in their future. In conclusion, this 8K filing is a small piece of a much larger puzzle that NN Inc. is actively seeking investment and trying to build relationships with investors. While it's important to take the information with a grain of salt, it's also a sign that the company is proactive and forward-thinking. You'd need to dig into the investor presentation itself to see if the numbers and plans stack up. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more corporate deep dives.